Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Over the Seas. For those who have come to our channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. For those who have already subscribed, thank you so much. Please continue to support us so that we post more videos like this. Please comment below if you want to see anything in Taiwan in particular. So today we are going to see how supermarkets are in Taiwan. So this is how it looks on a Saturday night at 11:30 p.m. A lot of scooters and a lot of people. So this is a huge building with 3 floors, and there is a parking lot for cars on the left. So since there was always some sale going on here, so these are the posters and these are the cars which are not locked. And here we enter. So there is Moss Burger on the left side, and then there is Dante Coffee on the right side with a lot of summer drinks. And then there are kids carts. As we enter, we see that there is a lady standing over there who is giving out sanitizers, and also she'll give you masks if you are not wearing one, because you can't enter the store otherwise. So this is the entrance. So on the right we see that there are some indoor plants. So as we enter, we see a lot of promotional products and more of them. Hello. So these are electronics. They have everything that a household needs. They have LG, Samsung and Heron. They also have many kinds of accessories like keyboards, mouse pads, everything you can think of. They have wide range of ACs, and when you see this Sampo brand is very famous in Taiwan. Whenever the people rent out their apartments or studio rooms, they generally prefer Sampo. These are the refrigerators, the rice cookers, and here the small one was the one which we bought when we came to Taiwan. This is the Robo vacuum cleaner, which is quite famous these days. This is around 5,990 NTD, and this one is 9,800 NTD. And this is all about home and living. You get everything that you need in a home and at a very low price. This is all crockery, and these are all the clothes. These come at a very low price, and these are all branded shoes. These are the slippers Taiwanese wear at home, and these are all stuffed animal pillows and other kind of pillows. This section is entirely dedicated to bedding. This is all stationery. These are all travel bags. We actually bought one from here. These are all massage chairs and recliners. People are resting over here after a lot of shopping. These are camping tents with all the equipment. They also sell little bicycles, and they have all the sports gear. There are a lot of variety of tissues over here, And they also have the pocket ones. These are all the cleaning products. And here we go to the second floor. The first floor is actually called second floor in Taiwan. These Doritos, Lays, chocolates, etc. are kept in between the elevators so that we just pick it up and throw into the cart while we are going upstairs. It's a psychological trick actually. So here we see that there is men's zone, and there is beauty, and then there is feminine care, and there is also Dove shampoo over here, and Pantene also. So there are some products which we also get here, like in India. We also have Sensodyne and Colgate. So these are all the dietary supplements, all the unprescribed medicines that you can get are over here. This is liquor and import section. A lot of alcohol. And here we see that there are imported products from Japan. These are all the cookies, noodles, and all the stuff from Japan. And there are products from Korea. We have kimchi, we have Korean noodles, we have different kind of sauces, especially the barbecue sauce. And there is Indian butter chicken curry. And these are Thai curries. And then we have Indian chicken korma curry. These are ready to eat kind of varieties. There are variety of sauces. And then we have Fazlani foods, which are ready to eat curries again, Indian curries. There is rajma curry, there is dal, there is chickpeas curry, there is dal makhani, etc. These are all the masalas. We generally take a lot of masalas from here. And there is rice. There are different kinds of rice in Taiwan. Like there is jasmine rice. This is Thailand rice, which is also called jasmine rice. This is 193 NTD. And then we have black rice, which is very famous in China and Taiwan. And then we have purple rice over here, which is 155 NTD for 1 kilo. And this is some different kind of rice, which is Taiwanese local grown. And then here are chocolates, a lot of them. And there is a complete big section alone for dark chocolate from various parts of the world. They have from 50% to 100% dark. These are all the dried fruits. Dried fruits are also pretty famous in Taiwan. Here are the fresh vegetables and fruits. We get almost everything like a local market. This is garlic. A small bag of these garlic pods cost us around $139. And this is lady's finger or okra. This costs about $49. This is cucumber, and this costs around $76 per box, 76 Taiwan dollar. And this is ginger. One bag costs us about $39, 39 NTD. And these are potatoes. This is $16 per piece. And here are Indian kind of onions. These are 3 types of onions, white, yellow and purple. This is radish, which is pretty big, and it is $29 per piece. And this 3 bag costs us around $75. And 1 pack of carrots costs us about $49. And this is celery, which we drink every day. It costs us about $65 per pack. And this is cabbage. And this is kiwi, a vitamin C rich food, and this is also vitamin C rich food. This one costs about $39. Now Taiwan guavas are very famous in India as well. And these are mangoes. They do not taste anything like Indian mangoes though. They're not that sweet. Here we have dragon fruit, which is $49 per piece. And this is custard apple, $89 per 600 grams. So in Taiwan they measure everything per 600 gram. Here we have apples, and this is all frozen section. Here we have Indian kind of chapati or paratha, which is pretty nice. You just put it on a pan and heat it and it's ready. They have all the meat over here. They have pork, beef, chicken, etc. So they are already cut and packed into small packs. This is boneless chicken. This is all seafood. They have different kinds of shrimp. They have octopus. They have tuna. They have other kinds of fishes as well. They have salmon also. And these are all ready to eat foods. You just keep it in the oven and they are cooked. And this is the billing section. There are a lot of counters, maybe more than 10. We have this membership card, so there is always a discount price on this. As we swipe, there is always $1 or $2 that is credited into this card, and we can use it later. This is customer service. This is where we get all the discount coupons and we can report other issues if we have any. So that's all about Carrefour. So we hope that you liked our video. Please like, share and subscribe. And please continue to support us. And thank you so much for 100 subscribers.